In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive your posts on Substack. Whether you've accidentally archived something important or simply changed your mind about keeping a post archived, I'll guide you through the simple steps to bring your content back to life on your Substack page. Let's dive into the process and make sure you can get those posts visible again quickly and easily. First, open up your browser and head straight to your Substack home. This is your personal dashboard on Substack where you manage all your posts and subscriptions. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on your profile picture, a menu will appear. From the options available, you need to select the archive. This is where all your archived posts live. Think of it as a storage box for your content that's not currently active. It's beneficial because it keeps your main page neat and tidy while still preserving your older posts. Once you've clicked on Archive, you'll be presented with a list of all the posts you've archived in the past. It's like a library catalogued with your inactive Substack creations. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the post you wish to unarchive. Once you've identified the post you want to bring back, go ahead and click on it to open it up. When you've got the post open, direct your attention towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three little dots, which usually indicate additional settings or actions can be performed. Click on those three dots and a small drop-down menu will present itself. From this drop-down menu, one of the options will be Unarchive. It's as simple as clicking this option. Once you've done that, your post will no longer be stuck in the archives, but will return to its place among your active Substack content. It's worth noting that unarchiving renews the post's visibility to your audience, just as it was before archiving, keeping its original published date and settings intact. This entire process takes only a few minutes, yet it's an excellent way to manage your online space effectively, allowing you to keep your Substack as curated and neat as you like, while also giving you the flexibility to reintroduce content whenever you see fit. If you have multiple posts to unarchive, simply repeat the steps for each one, and there you have it. You've successfully unarchived your Substack post, ready to share it with your audience once more. Feel free to navigate back to your homepage and enjoy the flexibility that Substack offers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Substacking.